Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Sorry. Then tap on scroll down. Then click on airplane mode on. Then off. Then next option Wi-Fi on, then connect Wi-Fi. Okay, then back, then tap on App Store, then search on Facebook. Okay, then click, then update Facebook app, then back, then open Facebook app, then fixed not working. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.